Forget skyscraper-sized American RVs that guzzle fuel and hog parking spaces. Europe's van life revolution is proving that compact can still be king. Leading the charge is France-based builder Océvan and its ingenious conversion of the Peugeot Expert, also available as the Citroën Jumpy. With a starting price of just €57,000, about $67,000, the Océvan Expert is redefining what affordable means for weekend warriors who want comfort, versatility, and adventure without a six-figure price tag. At its core sits Peugeot's nimble midsize chassis, offering up to 180 horsepower paired with a smooth automatic gearbox. That means you can pilot this camper with the ease of a family minivan while still having enough grunt to tackle mountain passes and coastal highways. Yet the real magic happens once you slide open the side door. Step inside and you'll find a masterclass in modular interior design. The rear bench rides on a clever sliding rail system. Push it forward to create a cozy lounge, slide it back for bike storage, or remove it altogether and load full-sized kayaks or even a dirt bike inside. By night, the same bench folds flat into a roomy bed, but Océvan doesn't stop there. A pop-top roof hides a second sleeping berth complete with panoramic insect screen windows and weather-sealed canvas. Couples, families, or solo explorers can all tailor the layout to fit their trip. Cooking on the road is a breeze thanks to the sleek galley block. A two-burner gas stove with a flush glass lid doubles as extra counter space, while a stainless sink, compact fridge, and smartly placed cabinets keep meals organized. There's even room for your spice rack and that celebratory bottle of Bordeaux. Toward the back, Océvan squeezes in more storage and a shower hookup, perfect for rinsing off after a trail ride. Upgrade to a tankless heater and you'll have steaming water in any season. Tech and comfort round out the package. The van arrives fully insulated and wired with a Victron 110Ah battery, smart controller, and charge booster. Add optional solar panels, and you've got true off-grid capability for long weekends in the Alps or lazy beach days on the Côte d'Azur. Throw in awnings, bike racks, or a rear tent annex, all on Océvan's accessory list, and the Expert transforms into a bona fide micro-resort. Size-wise, the Expert's mid-size footprint is its superpower. Narrow French village lanes? No problem. Underground parking garages? Still doable. Ferries between Spain and Morocco? Roll right on. And thanks to strict European emission standards, the drivetrain is frugal by design, saving you cash at the pump and letting you explore farther on one tank. For larger crews, Océvan even offers a 6-seat variant with an extra bench, proving you don't need a bus-sized rig for family trips. Unfortunately, North American buyers will need to navigate import red tape and DOT regulations, but DIYers can replicate the concept on a Ford Transit Connect or Nissan NV200 stateside for similar money. Still, if you crave an authentic French camper that's road-ready out of the box, the Océvan Expert may justify the shipping hassle. In short, this van embodies the new wave of camper culture. Compact, adaptable, and attainable. It's the perfect launchpad for spontaneous lake paddles, alpine hikes, and gourmet picnics under the stars, minus the financial hangover. So grab your bikes, pack your sense of adventure, and let the Océvan Peugeot Expert turn your next weekend escape into a story worth telling.